Hey guys, check this out. I have this 2 planetary lamp. Let's go check this guy out. In this video, we're going to review Planet Star Lamp. This lamp runs on a battery and has multiple colors and comes with a remote control. You could get this in Amazon for around $25. First, let's do unboxing. So here is the planet lamps. I got 2 of these, one of Saturn and one of these star little lamp, and they're not that big size and they're not that small either. It fits right in your hand like this, and they are made out of a hard plastic. They say they made this from a 3D printer, so it feels good, feels solid. Okay, so let's see how this thing works. First, charge the lamp with the USB charging cable that comes with it. When you start charging, you will see a red light on the lamp. It comes with the remote control, batteries included. Be sure to take out the battery cover plastic on the bottom. You can turn the lamp manually. All you have to do is just touch the charging area for a few seconds, and turning off is the same way. Each lamp comes with a lamp stand where you could place the lamp on it. One of them is like a circular wooden lamp stand, and the other one is this little square stand. Each lamp comes with a hanging rope like this, and you could hang your lamp anywhere on the ceiling. Remote control setting is pretty basic. You have on and off button on top. Next to it is a dimmer button. Then you have a red, green, blue, and white color switch. Below are the different colors you could change to. There are 16 different colors you could change to. And on the side is flash and strobe button. Personally, I'm not quite sure what the difference is between flash and strobe. And then you have a fade button and then smooth button, where it is a different way to switch different colors